Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will try to post a static website from our S3 bucket. So that's the goal today. Let's try and let's start. Okay, first of all, I have created this React project. Okay, it's a very simple application, or you could say a simple website. Basically, I'll just show you what is this website. On this website, it will just show this information that's posted from Amazon S3. So this is the simple React application that I have created. I have created the build, and my build uh, actually build files are in this particular folder list. Okay, now I'm going to create a bucket for my static website. Okay, let me give the name of that bucket as static website demo 28 July. The important thing here is for this bucket, right, since this is static website which will be accessed by everyone, right, so I need to remove this public access. Just keep that in mind. Okay, you have to remove this block public access. So once I remove this, I need to acknowledge this. I'll not enable versioning etc for now. I'll just create a bucket. So my bucket is created. What I will do is I will upload all the files from the dash folder, which is the output of the build. Okay, npm run build, and all this will be uploaded into my S3 bucket. So let's do that. For uploading, I will use this command. You can do it manually as well. That is fine, but I'm using this sync command. What this sync will do is it will upload the complete dash folder into my static website demo bucket. Okay, my files are uploaded. Okay. Now my files are uploaded. So the next thing that I need to do is permissions. Okay, since this is going to be accessed publicly, right? So I need to give one more permission. Basically, I need to give the bucket policy for allowing public read, basically get objects. Basically, so if someone is going to read my index.html, right, from this bucket, I need to give that access, and principal would be star. Star means anyone. It could be anonymous, any user. Okay, so any user. And what is the action that I'm allowing? Only get object. Basically, only read for my static website, which is hosted in this particular bucket. That is it. So this is important step. Just keep that in mind. You need to give this permission. Otherwise, your website may not work. Okay. Now, the last step, and a very simple step, we just need to go into properties. Okay. You first go to bucket, click on the bucket, and go inside the properties. And at the end, you will see something like static website hosting. You just need to go there and enable it. And once you enable it, so it gives you this option. So we'll just host a simple static website. Here I will put index.html, and for error also I'll keep same. And now I'll just save the changes. That is it. If you go down, it gives me the link of the static website. If I copy this, see there the same thing is now running fine. So this is how you can actually host a static website from S3. So very simple steps, not very difficult actually. So first you need to, create your React application or any simple static website. Create a bucket, and in that bucket, give, make sure that block public access is off. Okay, it allows all the public access, and then in your bucket policy, you allow read for everyone into this bucket from this bucket basically. And once you do this in the properties, go down and just enable the static website, set the index.html, and you will get the URL, the bucket website endpoint. And this you can basically see if you are calling this directly, and like this is in US East one, right? And there is no caching layer or something. So there will be a lot of network hops that will happen since I'm calling from India, right? So obviously this will be a bit slower. This website is very light, but otherwise it will be very slow. So in that case, you can use CloudFront in front of this website. So CloudFront does the caching part. Okay. So when we cover in the CloudFront videos, we will take this example and add it. The CloudFront to this static website. CloudFront does the caching part. So your static data can be cached in the CloudFront, and then it can be delivered from there itself without hitting the S3 bucket. So that is another architecture related to this. So thank you so much. This was all about the static website hosting from S3 bucket. Have a good day.